Hey everyone, it's Jamie here and a very warm welcome to you all to Travel Blog Jamie. Coming up in this episode, I'll be showing you how to get to one of the cheapest hotels in London Gatwick. I'll also be taking you on a tour of this hotel, the Premier Inn A23, including our standard double room and its facilities. We'll take a look at the hotel's own bar and restaurant, review the food we sample, take a look at the menus, both food and drinks, discover what meal deals are on offer, and whether this hotel offers good value for money ahead of our flight to Orlando. Well, this adventure begins in our home of Basingstoke. We're taking a train from Basingstoke to London Gatwick via Clapham Junction. An hour and 20 minutes later, we arrive. Yes, Matthew is always ahead. The train station at London Gatwick is located in the South Terminal, so we'll be taking a free shuttle to North Terminal, where our hotel is located. Here you can see the Sofitel and Premier Inn London Gatwick North, both very conveniently located for the airport. However, there's a much cheaper option, the Premier Inn A23, and it's just a 6-minute walk from London Gatwick North Terminal. No, that's not the right Premier Inn. We're heading to the A23. Simply follow the path to the left of the Premier Inn London Gatwick North. Just in case you didn't realise, keep to the left hand side and you'll see an Esso petrol station. There's a section where you can cross the road, but please don't run like Matthew. Accident waiting to happen. And finally, a very handy pedestrian pathway to the hotel. Parking is only available here for the duration of your stay and charged at £25 per night. Airport parking is available through the hotel's partners, Holiday Extras. Oh, and by the way, if you're not keen on the walk from the terminal to the hotel, well, there's a Hopper bus service available as well. And we made it. As well as reception, there are some self-check-in machines available. Even I was able to use them, and that's saying something. I'm useless with IT. Check-in is from 3 p.m, although early check-in is available from 11 a.m. for an additional cost of £10. Check-out is by 12 p.m, although a 2 p.m. late check-out is available for an additional £10. Alrighty, we got a decent location on the ground floor. Reception is just through here. And welcome to room number 9. Let's do this! Ours is a standard double room. There are also twin, family and accessible rooms available here. Standard Wi-Fi is included in your overnight stay. First impressions, somebody has put me in the corner. How dare they? All right, as you come in, as you can see, there is a little bit of space around here for your luggage. A few hooks up here for your knickers. And, oh, can we illuminate? Yes. We've got a shelf with your hairdryer. I will do a hairdryer test shortly. 2 UK sockets. A decent mirror with awful lighting. Actually, is that bad lighting? I don't look 60 yet, so maybe it's okay. Right, as you come in, on the right hand side you have your AC unit. This was off when we came in. It was a little bit warm and, dare I say, a bit of a musty smell actually. So we've opened the window, we've got the AC unit on, we've turned the extractor fan on. Hopefully that will sort things out really quickly. There is a little bit of hanging space here, so kind of an open plan wardrobe. I do like those, plus a very deep drawer down here. We've got a near floor to ceiling mirror. It's a little bit kind of like frosted or something. I'm not sure it's meant to be honest with you. Now then, the bedroom area. First of all, there is ample space under this bed. Oh, me aching, cracking knees for your luggage as well, if you would prefer to pop that there. Premier Inn beds are renowned, aren't they, for being comfy. Kind of feels like a medium to firm mattress to me. We'll see how we sleep and I'll report back tomorrow. A splash of colour on the walls. Some of you have commented on my handography, which I think is gorgeous. Lights either side of the bed. Oh, look at this nice comfy headrest, headbang on that one very nicely without being sent to hospital. We have light switches here for the lamp and for the room generally. That's very convenient when you're in bed. There's a USB port here, shelf, and a little bit more storage space here as well. Not too bad at all. You've got the same configuration the other side of the bed. Let's have a look at the room from this angle, because angles and perspectives are everything, my darlings. You knew that. Did you know I was going to say that? You did, didn't you? Let's have a quick peep over here. There's a good amount of floor space in this room, actually. As I said, there's another bedside unit here. Oh, this one's different, actually. How dare I say it's the same configuration? It's not. Just a shelf here. You have got your USB port, having said that. We've got a gorgeous, kind of like armchair tucked away in the corner. I suppose you could move the little table over here if you wanted to sit, have a drink, maybe some nibbles. I'm not judging you. Matthew suggested I bring vodka and Red Bull to have in the room tonight. I think I'll head to the bar, having said that. Lots of floor space over here in case you've got more luggage. That's great. And the workstation slash vanity area. Look how long it is. Ding, 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 ding. We've got a work lamp here. As you can see, 2 more UK sockets and a USB port here. So in terms of socketry, I might find some more later. I'd say this is blimming good for your devices. Actually, I say vanity area. There's no mirror in front of you here, so that would be quite problematic. We've got a chair. We'll check out the in-room dining a little bit later. And of course, your kettle with tea and coffee making facilities. Look at these bad boys and girls. Glass mugs, eh? Oh, and another UK socket. You could unplug the kettle, couldn't you, and use that if you needed to. TV, not a bad size, and it's also opposite the bed, so you're not going to get any kind of kinks in your neck. Some of you like a bit of kink, I know that. Wonder if it's maneuverable. No, don't pull that off the wall, otherwise it's prison for you, my darlings. Oh, look at this. On the side of the workstation, you've got a bottle opener. Cheers. Look at the size of this bad girl. Okay, not really, tiny. Just 2 settings on this one. Cool or hot? Looks like there might be a middle setting, but when I tried it just now, it didn't seem to do anything different. Are you ready? This is if you want a light blow and a cool blow. And if you'd like a harder, faster, hotter blow. Oh, that is heating up nicely. Oh, that's going to scold me. That's going to scold me. That ain't bad, you know. If you've got a big bush, I reckon you're going to be well catered for here. Right, it doesn't look like there is room service available here, but they have provided the menu for dinner in the restaurant and a drinks menu for the bar. We'll check those out a little bit later, my darlings. Now then, we have a view of a car park, do we? Yeah, pretty much. That's fine. I mean, we're at an airport hotel. It's fine. What I really do like is there is a window here for some fresh air. It has restricted openings, so there'll be no jumping out in the middle of the night. These curtains look like really good blackout curtains. We'll test those out a little bit later. Alrighty, so that's the room. Let's head into the bathroom. Are you ready for this? Ta-da! Oh my goodness, and look, you've got space for your 1 cheek, 2 cheeks, rah, rah, rah. I'm sorry, I know that's irritating. We'll do the all-important floor space test, of course. Let's sit down on the john. How much leg room have you got? I mean, I've got kind of short legs, so it's fine, isn't it? You're going to be all right with that. And you know I love toilet paper right next to you. You don't want it behind you, you're going to pull a muscle. I mean, what to say, it's a Premier Inn bathroom. Decent sized mirror. Nice echo in here. Echo, 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 echo. Good sized sink basin. Shelf here for all your bits and bobs, odds and sods, nick and nat, brick and brack sweeties. We have Bayliss and Harding elements here. White tea and neroli. Matthew informs me neroli is orange blossom. I didn't know that. He's quite smart really, isn't he, when he's not being daft. And the all-important bath and shower. You're gonna get 2.2 people in that bad boy. You have some more Bayliss and Harding Elements products here for luxury hair and body wash. Got vitamin E in it. And yeah, we've almost got like a monsoon up here, like Adina. I think this is more than acceptable for a Premier Inn and one cheeky little night in an airport hotel, personally. What do you reckon? You're going to be like, yeah, but look, they got clingy curtains. I mean, what I'm going to say about that is, get over it. Now, some of you prefer staying in the larger Premier Inn right opposite North Terminal. I do understand that. However, if you're willing to walk 5 minutes max with your cases if you can, or indeed there is a shuttle that you could take from the hotel back to the terminal, it ought to cost you a lot less. This is consistently one of the cheapest airport hotels we've come across in London Gatwick. Is it our preferred hotel in the area? No, we do quite like the Sofitel, for example. Having said that, this is coming in at £77 for the two of us tonight, whereas the Sofitel was about 180, sorry. But what do you think, my darlings? Is this an airport hotel you could see yourself staying in, maybe short term? Maybe you need to see the bar and restaurant area. I think we can do that, can't we? Let's do this, like right now. I need a drink. Going on holiday. Alrighty, to the bar, to the restaurant. Right, well, I've got us a seat, I've got us a table at the bar, and a cheeky little vodka. Cheers, everybody. Orlando tomorrow. Cheers, Matthew. Oh, look, he's got a big bag of Walkers. Is that a grab bag? Oh, and a lovely bag of fiery nuts. I know you love them too. Just a dinky bar area here, folks. It's not big enough for the number of rooms and people, that's for sure, but perfectly nice. Right, let's go again. We'll be rude not to. It is holidays. Cheers, Matthew. It's dinner time and I could eat a shaggy dog's tail. I'm telling you that now for free, and I'll tell you that for a price. Oh, it's quite nice back here. Look, my darlings, it is. Okay, so here's a look at those all-important prices for the dinner menu. Radio potato dippers for a starter. Garlic bread with cheese. I'm gonna stink out that plane tomorrow. I mean, it's garlic bread and cheese, but it's a very good one. Do you see how blistered the cheese is as well? Tasty. These potatoes are good, actually. The only letdown is that dip. It's kind of a very weak sort of sour cream. It's a low-fat one. You know what? I want bags of flavour in my dip with these kind of potatoes. Matthew's already got his eyes peeled on the big stack burger. No one's surprised about that. I know this. And you know what? You could have a side or two or three as your appetizer if you wanted to. And your desserts too. Oh my god, chocolate brownie, I wish. Oh, a triple chocolate brownie. That's unholy. Oh, I don't know where all these drinks are coming. Oh, that was a fabulous sound. This Ned Savvy Blanc is actually delicious. Crisp, cold gooseberries, nom. Here's a look at the bar prices. Your beers, your ciders. It's a little bit pricey, isn't it? No and low alcohol. They've even got a cocktail menu here at the Premier Inn, and look, you can get two for £14 where indicated. 2 espresso martini for me, please. Big stack for Matthew. Or, as I like to call it, a double meat palette, name that show. If you know me, you would have guessed I'm going for the chicken macaroni with extra chili. Mr. Bertram is very happy with his double meat palette. I stole a bit of that burger. It's actually very tasty, very well seasoned, quite moist, juicy. Cheese has been melted beautifully. Burger sauce, gherkins, nice. And this macaroni curry is flavoursome. Billed as a medium, which is why I wanted more chili. Just how hot is this chili? Oh my god. Oh my god, right in hot. Oh wow. Holy swammer. Wow. That is really spicy. Whoa. It's not fine dining. Some of it is overpriced, but it's bloody tasty. Right, we finished our meal and I found Matthew at the vending machine of all places. Right, film's on. My lovely Simpsons comfies and chill. I'll leave you all to it for now and I'll let you know in the morning how we sleep. For now, I love you. I don't love you up there. Sorry about that. Good night, see you in the morning. Mwah. You can expect breakfast to be served from about 6:30 a.m, but do check on arrival. Whilst prices can differ depending on the Premier Inn, you might be interested in purchasing a meal deal. These offer great savings on breakfast and dinner. If you're planning to pay as you go, breakfast prices can start at £10.99. Choose from the unlimited continental option or the unlimited continental and hot food option. Drinks are included. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Matthew, for the coffee in my glass mug. Nice temperature in here last night. Good quiet location. Good night's sleep overall. Thank you, Premier Inn. I mean, proof is always in the mattress, but look, this is how famous Premier Inn mattresses have become. You can actually scan the code at the back and have a look at purchasing your own Premier Inn mattress Mark II. I mean, I'm tempted. Are you tempted, Matthew? Maybe. Look at that, look. Maybe. Yeah. Time to catch a flight. Buy room, very comfy, very cheap. Come on, Matthew, let's go to Orlando. Buy Premier Inn A23 London Gatwick. Let's pop these cards in here. And off we go. I'll see you the next time for our British Airways flight review to Orlando, Florida, and then all the shenanigans at Universal Sapphire Falls. Let's do this. See you then. Thank you for your support as we head towards 34,000 subscribers. Today's shout-outs go to my gorgeous tiers 3, 4 and 5 patrons, and oh my goodness gracious me, yes, you too could become a patron. Just search patreon.com/travelblogjamie. It really is that easy. Thanks for watching, and let's follow each other on Facebook, Jamie W. Robbins, X, Threads and Instagram at travelblogjamie, and of course right here, right now on YouTube.